On our way to Top Secret!
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile.
Ooh! Ayan oh, guys. Ayan yung building. Oh. Bumblebee! Hindi ko alam pangalan ng iba. Si Bumblebee, si Optimus Prime,
Pinark din yung sakyan niya
Mirage.
ng yellow. Yan ang
Oh, ayan oh. Laki oh.
Mitsubishi naman. Hindi naman Chevrolet.
Oh, ayan oh.
Parang iba ata yan.
Eh kasi yellow eh. Pinipicturean niya guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh.
Naman ito ba? Hindi pala.
Ayan sila oh.
So nandito tayo sa Top Secret. Nandito si Bumblebee. Ayan o. Ito yung inaabangan ni Jacob. Ayun naman si Optimus. Si Bumblebee oh. Ayan. Jacob boy! Ito yung inaabangan pa niya ni Jacob.
Come on, Ella.
Lagi niya nalalagpasan kasi yung tinatanong niya lagi. Sabi kailan daw kami titigil. O, ito na. Tapos mamaya pupunta kami doon. Ay, pansin nyo guys, baliktad yung building. Ayan o. Ano yun? Baliktad. Upside down. Ayan.
Ito na siya na.
So, Jacob, what do you think, Jacob? Oh, you go your idol now. It's Bumblebee. Huh? Okay, go. Go. And then you're gonna take a picture. And then Optimus Prime. Yeah, here, later. There, see? Look at her. It's nice. Go, go, go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, go. Go, Ella. Picturean ko lang sila. Optimus Prime. Come on. Dahil mo yung sakyan na. Si Dayan. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, look at them. See? They take a picture too. Ooh, is that Mirage, Jacob? I think that's Mirage, eh? Huh? Is that Mirage? Okay, you got to take a picture later. Go here first. Oh, look at that, Jacob boy. Optimus Prime. Titingnan natin itong mga maliliit. Oh, si Mirage. Jacob boy. Ayan, gitna. Ayan, maganda dito. Ayan. Diyan kayo. You like that, Jacob? Oh. Jacob, is that Optimus Prime? Small one? Huh? Oh, Megatron? Wow. Yan na. Oh, they got an entrance. Oh, Iron Man? Lang may naghalong Iron Man. Boy. Yeah. Pasok tayo lahat. Tignan natin.
What are you scared for, Jacob boy?
What are you scared for?
What if there's a jump scare?
No, it's not a jump scare.
Oh, Jacob
Everything
boy.
is upside down. Look. Look, where's the
Ooh.
wall? Look at the wall.
Dilim.
It's upside down.
Oh, anong meron dito?
The White House landed in Wisconsin Dells upside down shortly after robots right.
Si Trump pala to eh.
Oh yeah.
I will not have it.
Oh. Tapos, Saan tayo pupunta? Wala na. Ito lang? Oh, dyan? Ooh. Ang
Jacob, come
dilim.
Jacob, come here.
Ang dilim. Ooh, White House. Nandito kami ngayon sa White House, guys.
Daddy, look.
Hey! Meron pala. Oh, yes! Look at that. Ito. Oh. President of the United States. Baligtad lahat ng mga... Yeah, upside down kasi itong building kaya puro baligtad lahat ng mga picture. Ayan. First time namin pumasok dito. Hindi pa kami nakapasok. Ella. Oh.
Daddy, naman ako. We're scared.
Gawin mo yung flashlight mo. Yung ano, yung cellphone. Wait lang, wait lang. Yeah, gawin mo yung flashlight nyo.
Miss ikaw.
Yung tao yan. Ba't ang dilim dito? Press room. Press room daw. Press room. Oh. Oh. Yeah. This way, the top secret dig site. Ooh, there's a dog, Jacob boy. There's a dog. Yeah, ito naman yung elevator. Pagbaliktad na elevator. Ha? Flashlight? What's your step, Jacob? Ano yan? Ooh. Ha? Emily Lily? Oh, si Medusa. Icarus. Nagalaw pala yun, no? Ayun, no? Ha? Kaya nga. Guys. Crazy. Crazy. Ano yan? Anong wow? Ano yan?
Oh my God.
Oh, Jacob boy! Star Wars! Darth Vader, Jacob boy! Huh? Wow! Boy, pakihawak nga to, boy. Ang mga pag-ano din ako sa Facebook. Star Wars! Star Wars!
With Ella.
Star Wars! Darth Vader, oh.
Let it go. What is there? It's not gonna move. Look at Ella, he's there already. Go on the side of Ella. The other
Oh, di nga siya natakot, Jacob, oh. Oh. Look, Ella. Good job, Ella. Good job. Talaga na, oh.
Nasa kamay yun. Ano kaya yun? Ewan ka ba, brother mo?
Sinendo siya eh. Bakit ba?
Wala. Ito yun sa'yo. Yes.
Galing naman. Cheese. Laki ni Bryce, eh, oh.
Grabe,
Ang laki, oh.
Pretty. Hi, Brad.
Hindi mo, natatakpan na yung katawan ni Jacob.
Bryce, look at them.
Brycey.
Bryce. Okay.
No, open that.
Let's go.
Girlie. Dahil mo kanina ko po. Wala ka, let's go. Ano na tayo? Ito na si Jacob. Anong meron dyan? Ayan sila. The contamination and laboratory. Ito si Jacob. Jacob, baby. Huh? What's in there?
Good. Good boy. Let's go, Ella.
Go, kuya.
Oh, it's Optimus Prime, boy.
Oh, yeah.
What?
You're in the top secret area.
Have you seen?
Huh?
The jet?
Legit? Legit?
Oh,
What is it?
what is that?
Oh my god. I knew it. There's a UFO.
Oh, Bryce, look at
And
Big head guy.
aliens.
Talaga totoo eh, no? Ino mo? May mga number pa siya. Mami?
I
Ino
know.
mo? I think mayroon talagang ano.
It is true, man.
It is true.
It's the 20th century.
Talagang totoo lahat na may alien.
Totoo lang naman.
Hindi haka-haka lang yung mga UFO na ano, totoo lahat yun.
Ito sila.
Let's go, guys.
Be careful,
Okay.
or they'll lock you up too.
Okay.
The same thing they did with talking eagles and Bigfoot.
Big butt?
You scared us.
Who is Big Butt?
Oh, what is this? What is this?
He's scared of.
Oh my god. It's gorilla.
Oh, King Kong is here. He's sleeping though.
Bigfoot.
The Bigfoot.
Secret tunnel to White House rooms.
Bryce, ano ba? Tahimik ka na?
Bryce. Natatakot ata si Bryce.
An invisible man.
Oh, he's scared.
Nakatakot dito ah.
Jacob, come here.
Where are we going?
Well, that one in front of you is a mirror, and on your right, it's also a mirror. Hi guys, can you see me?
What's in there?
There.
What is that?
Eto sila. Hi kuya. Come.
Jacob, are you scared? Jacob boy?
Oh, may pa ganyan. My kuya is getting scared. My kuya is getting scared.
Yeah, look at Bryce, Jacob. He's not scared.
Because he's a baby. That's
Pero, ay, shit.
Yeah.
Kapit na kapit siya.
He's scared actually.
Oh.
Oh.
Kasi ganyan yung mga ano, cable, kasi nga upside down tong building. So, eh, ganun. Bakit parang ano? Parang pag ganun ta?
Yeah, it's pataas.
Uneven surface.
Uneven nga eh.
What room is this thing? Jacob? What room?
Ulit. Dito ulit. Mga baliktad na mga gamit. Ayan, tingnan nyo.
Oo nga, baliktad oh. Ayun, mga table na naman, baliktad na naman siya. Kita niyo ba guys?
your fault.
Who's this, Jacob?
Ayun sila.
You know who that is? Washington. And this is
Yeah.
Abraham.
The one that I know.
Mga siguro 1980s
Ooh.
pa to. Bryce, why you so quiet?
Bryce is quiet.
Bryce,
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Where? Ayan guys, oh, baliktad, oh.
Wanna this?
Baliktad nga. It's all baliktad. And si Dayan, si Milay, si Ira. Ay, dyan. Yeah, picture kami lang dito. And, hello, ito na yung pinaka White House table, oh, long table. Naka-flip din guys, oh. Mga artifacts, gold. Ayan. Ah, palabas na pala to. Ayan na. And ito na. Bumblebee. Ayan, si Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, and Jen, and Milay. Ayan yung building, the whole building. Look! Ang laki ng bumblebee na to. Ayan.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child.